Welcome to PHP Logical Operators. The logical operators are typically used to combine conditional statements. I know we've not done conditional statements, but it is important that we understand the logical operators first. So these are the logical operators we have. We have AND, which is true if both X and Y are true, or if any one of them is true. Exclusive OR, true if any one of them is true but not both at the same time. Then also we have AND again, so this is the symbol for this. So AND or this is still the same thing, true if both S and Y are true. And we have OR, if you don't want to write this, you can use this one, the double pipe, which is true if either X or Y is true. Then we also have NOT, which inverts the value, okay? So if it is true, NOT makes it false. So let's see this in action. So let's begin with our PHP tags. Then let's create some variables. So I would say X is equal to 100, and I would have another variable called Y, and we can make Y equal to 50. Always end your statements with a semicolon. So we are going to use an if and else statement to do this. So I would say if variable X is equal to, so you can use this is the operator, the assignment operator that we learned, okay? It's equal to 100, and it is always good to put this inside of a bracket if you are checking two conditions, okay? So I'll put a bracket here. Don't worry, we'll go through all this when we get to the conditional operators, but just understand how it is working and you can code with me. So this will work if both are true. So Y is equal to 50. As you can see, both are true. So what do we want to do? We want to echo out hello world. So let's check this. Take note of this AND. We're using AND here, as we said here, AND operator. So if X is equal to 100 and this is 50, remember their values is actually the same, then it is correct. But if you're using AND and one of them is not correct, you won't get anything on the screen because it is false. Okay, so let's return this back to 50. And remember, if you don't want to use the word AND, you can also use double ampersand like this. It is still the same thing, AND. If we reload, you see, it is still 50, AND or double ampersand. The next one is OR. OR is functional if only one of the value is true. So see, Y is not equal to 40, but I've made it 40. But S is 100, so both this statement is true. So if I reload, we still get the correct result. But if I make this to be 90, you see none of them is 900. None is true anymore, so our OR is not working. So you only need one to be correct for you to work with OR. And if you don't want to use the word OR, you can use the double pipe like this. It's still the same thing, OR. Alright? Then the next one is exclusive OR. Exclusive OR is true if any one of them is true, but not both of them at the same time. So if I make this 50, we have no value because both of them are true. This is the difference between exclusive OR and OR. For OR, both can be true or one can be true. So that is the difference, exclusive OR. Alright? So in quick summary, we've been able to touch on these ones. And the last one is the NOT operator. So let's check the not operator. So for the not operator, all you do is just, let's take all this out. So you use it to invert. So as we know, x is equal to 100, right? It is true. X is 100. So it is echoing hello world. But if I put the exclamation mark here, it changes this. So from this one is previously true, but now it is false. And if I reload, you see, x is no longer equal to, it's no longer true. This statement inside was true, but when you put this at the back, it turns it to false. All right. So what if we make this 900? As we know, x is not equal to 900, so this value is currently false. But because of this not operator, it's going to change this false statement to true, and we'll have our hello world again. So you see, there you have it. So guys, this is it on PHP Logical Operators. I'll see you in the next one.